Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Business Standard Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 29, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. 8th row and 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column D we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column I we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Second row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 3. Column C also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row and 2nd row, we have 7. Column E also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. But 2nd row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. Column C, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 5th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F and 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any other two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 7th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 5th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column H, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. Column F, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 9. 5th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 9th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.